Here's some big news coming in. Kangana Ranaut now makes some fresh claims, says that the BMC has forcefully taken over her office. She says the BMC has forcefully taken over my office. She further claims that she has been informed that tomorrow they are going to be demolishing her property. This is Kangana Ranaut's claims. She says that the Mumbai Municipal Corporation there has taken over her property, her office, and that the BMC is all set to demolish her property. These are fresh claims made by Kangana Ranaut. The actor accuses the BMC of threatening her, arm twisting her, and trying to demolish her office. Of course, clearly here, Kangana Ranaut there upping the ante against the Mumbai administration. Of course, she's been claiming that they have been trying to arm twist her, but this is quite a specific piece of information that she gives out, saying that the BMC is trying to demolish her office. They're trying to take it over and demolish her office, and this is her fresh claim now Kangana comes up with.
मुंबई हो या महाराष्ट्र हो, उसका जो भी कोई अवमान करता है, अपमान करता है, और ऐसे व्यक्ति को केंद्र शासन Y+ की सुरक्षा देती है, तो ये बहुत ही आश्चर्यकारक और दुखकारक ऐसी बात है। महाराष्ट्र की राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी, शिवसेना, कांग्रेस, इन्हीं का ना ये वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का भी है, सब पूरे जनता का महाराष्ट्र है। और ऐसे महाराष्ट्र को जो पूरे महाराष्ट्र की जनता का महाराष्ट्र है, ऐसे महाराष्ट्र को अवमानित करने का, अपमानित करने का काम कोई करता है, तो उसका सभी पार्टी के लोगों ने उसके बारे में खेद व्यक्त करना चाहिए।
Well, here is the Maharashtra administration there speaking about what Kangana Ranaut has said. Kangana there claims that her office is going to be demolished by the BMC. She says that she has informed authorities about it, and she was informed by tomorrow that the property will be demolished. They're taking over her office. Divesh, tell us a little more about what's going on. Kangana Ranaut says that her office will be demolished by the BMC. What's the reason for that? Is this a fact?
See, we've just received information that the municipal staff from BMC, staff of H West BMC office has inspected Kangana's office, Kangana Ranaut's office. Kangana Ranaut's office is currently undergoing renovation, and this is located in Pali Hill locality of Bandra.
Divesh, what more do we know?
In the Pali Hill locality of Bandra. So as pointed out, there could be a notice that would have been served to Kangana Ranaut by the BMC for illegal altercations as such, which is suspected to be illegal altercations that she had done, and that is why the BMC is inspecting the property and could further, after serving a notice, could further go ahead and demolish the structure as pointed out in the tweet. And it is also, as of now, that we have learned that H West Ward officials are right now present at the Pali Hill office of Kangana Ranaut. So there is some reaction coming in from Mumbai. The BMC has sprung into action, and they are now going to demolish, allegedly demolish.
What's the reason for demolition? Quickly, Divesh.
It is suspected that some illegal renovation was being carried out, some illegal structural changes were made into the office, which is not allowed usually. And
right, Divesh, stay with us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.